The roof is like a must-have. Like, I was excited for the roof, but I've never had floor mats in a side-by-side before. Like, this is badass. So if you guys have been paying attention, we got this 2026 CF MOTO Z10. We've been doing a pile of content with it. We've been having a bunch of fun with it. Still, one of my big complaints about it is the fact that CF MOTO still has not got the roofs and accessories, at least for the 4-seat models, out to the dealerships yet. But I seen that there was a company that goes by Rad Accessories that was fabbing up roofs. I sent an email seeing if they were planning on doing one for the 4-seater. They hit me back and said, yeah, we got you. So they sent me one out. We're gonna install it to hopefully get a roof on this thing. One of my big complaints, we haven't had a roof. We actually tried doing a comparison video with this and a Razor XP 1004, and we got rained out, and it sucked. All of our camera gear and stuff was getting wet. I hate to tease you a little bit, but you probably won't see that video just because we had to call it early because we didn't have a roof. But we're gonna break this one out. I gotta unbox it. They sent me another goodie. Hopefully you guys will see at the end of the video, but we're gonna go ahead, open this thing up, lay the roof out, and get it installed on the Z10. What we did was they had these labeled. They wrote on them front side. This one says rear side, center, rear. I mean, you can see it up here. We need to put them on all the roof panels here before we kind of bolt it together and set it up there. But we figured it would be easier just to kind of put them where they go on the machine, so that way we can stay organized and not get them mixed up. So what I'm gonna do now is give in and read the instructions and see what I gotta do next. But we're gonna start bolting this thing together. First step on the instructions though said to put the foam on. So we're gonna start there. We'll start bolting it together and then we'll throw her on the Z10. All right, we got all of our foam, tape, whatever you want to call it down. Front one, there's a slight bend right here. I don't know, it's gonna be hard to see this line. There's a slight bend here. It looked like this went about center in there. These ones were pretty much all the way on the outside edge. This one, there was right before your bend where the two pieces kind of go together is where that foam center piece went. This one pretty much went right over the bolt holes, to bolt down the rear lip. Pretty much went right over them. Outside edges on these ones as well. Pretty much figured I would show you that, so if you get one of these, you're not taking it and putting it on there, figuring out where the foam and the tape goes, and then taking it off and then putting it back on. So you can kind of use this as like a little cheat sheet, I guess. But instructions say, start with the rear panel because the front panel overlaps the rear, so when we bolt it together, it'll kind of pinch down on it. So we're gonna take the rear one, throw it on there, start bolting it down. We're just gonna pretty much put these back two bolts in to hold it down, and then we'll put the front on over top of it, and then we'll just kind of bolt everything together. It's pretty straightforward. I don't really know how you'd mess this up unless you put your foam on the wrong side. I think that's about the only mistake you'll make. But yeah, let's throw this thing on real quick. All right, we got the roof on. Pretty straightforward. I mean, I think the only real thing we actually had to use our melons for was where to put the foam and the little tape stuff at. But yeah, it pretty much goes through, bolts on, kind of slightly just arches the roll bar body line, I guess. And it has a little bit of a little flip in the back, which is perfect because you can fit a chase bar right underneath there. And then in the front, you're only really utilizing this one screw here. I think I might though, because I plan on putting some lights up here. I'll probably eventually end up drilling a hole to utilize this bolt down here and then light bar mount of some sort across the top. We got a roof on. Big thing is we don't have to worry about the sun beating down on us. It should help a little bit with some of the dust. Main thing is the rain. I just want to get the rain off of us because, like I said, we tried to film some content and we couldn't because obviously poor weather conditions. We got rain on us and we had no roof. Roof looks sick, looks A1. All right, they also sent this stuff out, which I opened it up, took a little sneak peek here. Got me a Rad accessory shirt. So they got their own shirts, keepitrad.com on the back if you guys want to know where to pick up a roof. That's where to go. Also sent out a hat, which they have leather patch hats, which I'm jealous of because our merch doesn't have leather patch hats yet, but hopefully one day. Big thing is check these out. So these are pretty much comparable to like C-Deck. So if you guys know what C-Deck is, it's like the flooring in like the Malibu like wake boats and stuff. But check these Johnnies out if I can get them out. Them are sick. We got floor mats for the Z10. And they even have them, like look at that one. It says Z10 cut right into it. But that's badass. Super dark. Dude, they kind of just sit in place. Well, it's like rubber on the back, like horse stall mat. I feel that.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, and it kind of just like rips. Like, granted, I mean, obviously I'm gonna clean this thing out because it's like super dirty right now. But dude, you can just like throw it right in here. All right, let's test out the new floor mats in the roof, dude. Yeah, I need to get that dirt and stuff out of there, and I don't think I'll move around like really at all. Which, granted, I don't know how often your feet are down like that while you're driving, so I'm always on the dead pedal like this. Dude, I think they definitely look badass though. They make like door cards and then like trans-tunnel and dash kits too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they pretty much were like, hey, would you be interested in showing these off? These things are sick. Like, the roof is like a must-have. Like, I was excited for the roof, but I've never had floor mats in a side-by-side before. Like, this is badass. Yeah, it's cool. Shout out to Rad Accessories. They're planning on building the roof scoop for the intake and stuff, but they're developing a roof with a roof scoop. I asked them if it would be able to work with this roof in the future. They said possibly, might have to drill some stuff out, which I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you updated if they come out with a scoop. Hopefully we can get one, throw it on here. Unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to run our homemade half windshield with the roof per CF Moto. If you are running a roof without a roof scoop, you cannot run a windshield, not even a half one. It may run into issues down the road with voiding your warranty, just so you guys know. Rad Accessories has it right on their website. But I figured I'd mention it in this video here too. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys pick one of these up off of Rad Accessories website, because I know CF Moto still hasn't gotten any roofs out to the dealers to get them for the 4-seaters. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you like side-by-side content, that's literally all this channel's about. And if you want to support the channel, go down below, pick up some merch. We got a pile of sick merch on the website, sidebyside central.com. Until next time, we're out.